What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of On This Hill. This is an admissions vlog from the Hampden-Sydney Admissions Office. Good to see you. So, first things first, we had our final open house of the spring semester a couple weeks ago. Great time, awesome turnout. Maybe one of the more notable aspects of that open house is that we had an alumnus come back to speak to the prospective students and their parents. His name is Kirk Zambetti. He's class in 1990. He was a history major here. You may have heard of YETI, most notable for their coolers. They make a whole bunch of stuff, but YETI is the company that Kirk works for. He is their senior vice president of sales. So he came back to Hampden-Sydney to talk a little bit about, what Hampden-Sydney did for him.
My best friends today are the men I met here. There are a few places in my life, and times in my life I treasure more than those at Hampden-Sydney.
Again, I think it's so cool. He was a history major, right? Like senior VP for YETI sales, history major. That's saying something. Hey fellas, how you doing? Good. So second, we had a reception for accepted students and their families in Richmond a couple weeks ago. It was a great time. We were at the Tuckahoe Women's Club in Richmond. Great turnout of accepted students. This class is really shaping up to be a great one. Going forward, right, if you're just watching this vlog and you're a student who's been accepted, my advice to you is go to these types of events. It's a great way to get to know, some of the guys that you might be coming into the class with. It's a great way to meet alumni who might, be able to help you later on in your time at Hampden-Sydney. But all in all, really, really great time. Just last week, we had our art exhibition of student work in our gallery in Brinkley Hall open. And it featured artwork from all students who were doing artwork at Hampden-Sydney, which I think is really cool. We had guys who had done visual art in some type of way. We had some movie projects that students did, photography, painting, all of that kind of stuff. Again, Brinkley Hall is our fine arts building, and Brinkley was renovated a couple of years ago with a multi-million-dollar renovation. It's a phenomenal space. If you're a student who's interested in the arts and you want to come check out Brinkley in person or sit in on a class at Hampden-Sydney, we would be more than happy to have you here, and we'd be more than happy to set that up for you. After that same evening, our alumni office held a little event for our graduating seniors in the Tiger Inn, or the TI, which is kind of our student hangout spot. They had this special deal where if the guys gave $10 to the senior campaign, they would give them a special pair of Hampden-Sydney socks. They had a bluegrass band though. It was a really good time. A lot of guys just hanging out, kind of embracing their last moments on this campus before they get thrust out into the real world. And finally, we had final convocation here at Hampden-Sydney. We honor students who have done exceedingly well in their field of study or academic interest. The whole community comes together. Our faculty members wear their regalia, their robes, and students dress up in their cap and gown. And I think it's just one of those moments that lets you know that graduation's around the corner. Those last moments for those seniors are getting here. And I think for those guys, it's bittersweet in a lot of ways. They're ready to move on to the next chapter, but in the same way, they're really upset to leave this place. So that is a quick recap of what has been new at Hampden-Sydney. It's Monday, April 29th right now. And May 1st is the decision day, National Decision Day for students deciding where they want to go to college. We hope that if you're watching this and you still haven't decided whether Hampden-Sydney is the place for you, give us a call, shoot us a text, shoot us an email, get in touch with us in any way that you think is best. We'd be more than happy to help you in any way that we can. Hampden-Sydney is special in more ways than one, and if you haven't found that way for you yet, again, give us a call, let us know how we can help. We are excited for this class of 2023 that is about to join this the oldest brotherhood in the United States. So keep an eye on this channel this summer. We'll probably be putting out some funnier, sillier videos as things quiet down in the office a little bit. But otherwise, we'll see you next time on this hill. Take care. What's up, dude? What's up, dude?
Picture of the tiger.
What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing?
You enough